guys, I'm here at Upper Pasonanca, Zamboanga, Zamboanga City, and I'm doing my photo walk with the SJCAM M20, and at the same time I'm burning calories with my friend Shasha. This place. So we're gonna take more photos in this place with my model. And there's another interesting place here to take photos with.
He found here a very beautiful spot. For a photographer, this is really interesting because like it's mixed with
Bullock Jeep.
yeah.
And nature behind it.
Oh, so that's the reason why. Friend right here found another spot, a very nice spot for photos.
Another spot that we found, and we're gonna get in and take some
What? Some photos.
So I think this is gonna be a good spot for photo shoot. So there's a beautiful light here. I think this is a good spot for you. So you can stand over here while I take your photo. Okay. So far, that was one of my favorite spots that we took photos, and I think the photos were great.
Really?
We hope that you liked the photos that we shared. Let me know what you think about it. So for me, this camera is good enough for taking photos. If you've watched my other videos, I use this camera for shooting videos with my travels and my vlogs. I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe. Bye bye. So we hope, so I hope.
Why stop here?
So we're here in our last stop, and so
I-edit naman ini mo.
wait lang. Wait lang.
Ginago.
Hello guys, I'm here at isa to, kalimutan ko.